It's possible that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will outperform the iPhone 15 Pro in terms of graphics performance. And the reason for it is because a leak suggests the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU may have a GPU that is up to 50% quicker. Satellite connection was one rumored Galaxy S23 feature that didn't make an appearance in this year's smartphones. Samlove anticipates that this will change with the release of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, enabling that phone to compete with an iPhone 14 feature that enables users to send emergency texts even when they are not connected to a cellular network. It's unclear if that would be a feature reserved for the Ultra or whether Samsung would take a page from Apple and make satellite connection a feature available on all of its flagship models. And another Galaxy S24 Ultra rumor suggests that RAM might be upgraded. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, which would be a significant upgrade over the 8GB per 12GB choices on the S23 Ultra, might reportedly have up to 16GB of RAM, according to leaker Tauran Bats on Twitter. However, according to some reports, all Galaxy S24 variants might come included with 256GB of storage. Although the S23 Ultra currently has a 256GB default storage, this won't be an upgrade for the S24 Ultra. Nonetheless, it's encouraging to know that we won't be moving backwards in 2019. We have a ton of space to fill in the gaps with features we want to see given how few Galaxy S24 Ultra speculations there are right now. Even though the Galaxy S23 Ultra is a powerful phone, there are still several areas where Samsung might make improvements. Samsung released the Galaxy S21 Ultra with S Pen compatibility, and by the time the S22 Ultra was released, it had found out how to include storage for the pen into the phone's design. However, due to Samsung's attention being diverted elsewhere, S Pen enhancements with the Galaxy S23 Ultra were non-existent. We anticipate that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will give the S Pen greater attention and support for new features. New S Pen Air actions or even remote control of more Galaxy S23 Ultra features might be among them. Even while other Android phones, most notably those like the OnePlus 11, allow you to top up your phone significantly quicker, the Galaxy S23 Ultra remain tethered to 45W charging. We would want to see charging rates more in line with a phone with a name like Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.